Computers have long been found in university halls or military backrooms. But with transistor advancements, now you can get a microcomputer in your very own home. Introducing the Altair 8800. With its simple-to-use switch interface and easy-to-follow 98-page manual, you
can play the Oblivion remake! That's right, my friends, when we remove the classy beige back panel, we find that this bad boy has some serious junk in the trunk. What kind of junk? Oh, I don't know. Maybe the most banginest gaming PC that money can buy.